Alright. 0 to 1 million challenge week 3 recap. In this video, we're going over the status of the challenges, where are we right now, what went very well this week, but also I made many mistakes after a big win streak. So let's go over them. What the game plan is aiming for a 35% win rate, shooting at least 1 to 2 risk to reward trades, high volume of trades, so I shoot around 10 trades per week in general, it's quite a lot. Starting point is 500k challenges, so the upfront investment is around $2,500. And I'm aiming for those 5 challenges to aim 1 or 2 of those, get a payout of around 2k to buy new challenges, and then rinse and repeat until we are at $1 million. And this week was crazy. It was crazy. In a good way, also in a bad way. And again, the star player is gold. And why is gold the star player? It has to do with the monthly, not the weekly, the monthly time frame. We are in a monthly internal, so for value gap, to external, towards all-time high. And with a monthly bullish bias, on the lower time frame structure, I basically long everything I can get my hands on. So this week was not an exception. So it started here on Monday. I anticipating price to come back into this 1 hour busy to set a low of the week. With a Sunday low of the week, actually, with a turtle soup here. Then we displaced, so this was point of interest. I shorted towards this area, first win of the week. Then on Tuesday, we had this price action and I took the long right here. So another win. Then on Thursday, another win. But between that, like I had many good trades in this area. So big win streak, also Euro win. That was this one, together with DXY going to the weekly bullish value gap. That means if DXY goes down, the USD pairs go up. So very nice entry right here as well for 1 to 6. And what happened on Monday and Tuesday, I took all those winning trades. And the overconfidence got me into a mental slip, like a beginner mistake. I was shooting many more trades than I should. So on Wednesday, I got many losses. I think I took like 7 losses. On Wednesday, it was very bad. I will show my journal in a second. So here, Monday, good trade. Tuesday's good trade. Euro's dollar, good trade. Everything was winning. So it was like, you're on top of the world. So I went to trade in this price action. So here's where I took many losses. It was from Wednesday, London, all the way up to, well, Thursday, got clear structure again. So I took this trade. But here's where I lost like a -5 or -6. I will show you in a second. Which is not good. That's a beginner mistake. But I want to emphasize transparency here. I'm a human too. I make mistakes as well. And I used to do this a lot when I was not profitable. And sometimes still, when profitable, when making money, I slip up. I did on a challenge though. So not on a funded account. So the challenge, because of that, both challenges are in drawdown. I will share the stat of challenges at the end of this video. So that was a mistake. And everything is shared in the Telegram. So if you're not in the Telegram, I will leave the link somewhere here around this video. And from that point, another wins. And that was the end of the week. So there were the highlights from the trades. And let's now go over the journal. Let me see where I have that right there. So right here, you're looking at the journal. Week 1, week 2, and now we just completed week 3. And the first thing that you should notice is look at the amount of trades I took. That was the mistake. So after Monday and Tuesday was so good, from that point I started making some mistakes. 11 trades on the day after that. So 18 trades total yesterday, on Friday. Time of recording is Saturday. On Friday, I took 1 trade break even on NASDAQ. Because I noticed, okay, I already took so many trades. Let's slow down, zoom out. You're not in a too good of mental shape because you took good trades on Monday and Tuesday, but then Wednesday and Thursday, it was plus 18 at some point. Still are above that 35% win rate, which is good. And of course, the funding is going very well. So here you see the equity graph. So week 1, 2, and 3. And here was at Tuesday. See how high it was? At plus 30. And plus 30, I gave it all the way back to plus 20. And it's the risk to reward. So I journal a loss as a -1 risk to reward. And I journal a win, depending on the, let's say it's a $2,500 win, 2.5 risk to reward win. Then I journaled at 2.5. So that was good. And here you see also the performance of the week. So Tuesday is my favorite day. Makes sense. Higher lows of the week are created there. Gold is the star player this challenge. That has to do with the monthly internal to external. But maybe later in the challenge, I think the indices are going to play a catch up. The USD pairs are going to play a catch up. And JPY is going to move very well in the coming few weeks. We have rate cuts coming in on the USD. So I think the USD pairs and the Nasdaq are going back. Also on a good performance. So very important that you collect the data here. So again, the third week in a row is green. But I'm the least happy with this week. Yes, it's the biggest week. But Wednesday and part of Thursday is just not professional behavior. So here are all the trades journaled from 21st, right here, the gold trades. And you see how many trades I took. And here I call it the late night trading casino. Is where I was bored. I was just shooting random trades. That's not good. So I journaled as a -5 because I took 5 losing trades. Here, full transparency. Big mistake, mental slip, can happen. Most important thing is how fast you recover from that. And I decided to slow down because of that. Still up, way up. So very happy about that progress. So good start of the week, bad end of the week. And with that, we're just going to the next week. So from that, let's go over the status of the challenges. So before this week, there were 2 challenges lost, 2 funded, and 1 in phase 2. That was last week. This week, there we are. There are 3 funded. I passed the phase 2, so FTMO 200k funded. 1 is on break even, the fresh account basically, and 1 is waiting on a payout. The Monday and Tuesday trade got me a payout. It's going to be 3k payout and 2 week time between trade and payout. So around February 4th, that week I'll receive the first payout. It is around 3k. That means I'm almost at break even with the challenge fee. Remember the upfront investment I did with the challenges? I bought 7, if I remember, 7 challenges right now. So around 3,500 is the minus right now. So with the payout, I'm almost back at break even with still 300k in funding to play with. So I'm expecting to become profitable maybe end of this month already or starting February. Also, I have 2 challenges running FTMO, but I went on that stupid losing streak on those. So those are in big drawdown. I think 1 is at -8, other is -5. So I'm not expecting those challenges to come back, especially the -9, which is fine. Then you lose a challenge. And that's part of the game. I played very aggressively. And I'm okay with losing a challenge. That means I'm just going to buy a new one from the payout. And don't fuck up that one. And probably I'm going to add also some more challenges to the mix next week. So we can continue where we left off. So this is a challenge to go to 0 to 1 million as soon as possible. Again, I share all my trades in the Telegram. I have a 2025 mentorship on YouTube that's going on. Market Mastery course. So much free value which you can use to follow along, get funded, get profitable as well. So if you like this, you get value out of this, make sure you subscribe, join the Telegram channel, join the school group, and let's see what week 4 will bring us. Have an amazing rest of your weekend, and I'll see you later. Bye-bye.